Hi everyone, if you have been using the Rednote app and wondering on how to make your account private, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make account private in the Rednote app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Rednote app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap on to Me option right here at the bottom. Then here you can find the settings option right here. Now tap on it. Then tap on to privacy settings right here. Now here is the thing, there is no any built-in feature in the Rednote app that you can make the account private, but here is a simple trick that you can do for it. To make your account private, simply tap on to activity status and tap on to off close activity status right here. Now after doing it, you can simply make your account private, or you can simply tap on to my collection and close the public option just like this, and do the same on the my review option just like this. And that's it. This is how you can make your account private in the Rednote app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.